Hi everyone, Searing Frost here with another Python Basics video. Today we'll be talking about pip. Pip is the default Python package manager. It allows you to install Python libraries to your computer so they can be imported into your Python code. Pip comes packaged with Python ever since version 3.4, but you can also manually install it with a script. Links to downloading and installing Python and pip are in the video description. Let's try to install a common Python library called Pandas. It's a library for data analysis and transformation. If you want to find more libraries, PyPy is the place. Once pip is installed on your computer and added to your path, simply run the command pip install pandas. Then pandas is available for import. Updating packages is simple. Just specify upgrade in your argument to pip. Uninstalling is just as easy. You also want to upgrade pip itself from time to time. Just install using the upgrade flag on pip. If you have your own packages built locally, you simply install it by running pip install on the setup.py directory. Check out my video on packages for more details. You can see all your installed libraries with pip list. You can also see specifics about a single library, such as version, dependencies, and install locations, using pip show. If you're working on a project, especially one with other people, you want to make sure you're all using the same libraries. Requirements.txt files define which libraries your Python project needs. You can define package names and versions in requirements.txt and use pip to install them. Just use the recursive flag and it will go line by line and install all the libraries for you. Thanks for watching this quick introduction to pip in Python. Using pip is your key to a world of amazing Python libraries. Productivity is king in Python, and an abundance of libraries for machine learning, data transformation, web servers, almost anything exists out there. Links to the code and my blog post on pip are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.